So guys, the one you were all waiting for so impatiently has finally arrived. And finally, Facebook has made content monetization tools criteria-based. Now everyone will get content monetization tools. You just have to complete a few criteria, and the criteria isn't hard at all. Brother, it's given a normal criteria, just this. In the criteria, you have to do one setting, and after that complete this criteria, and you'll get content monetization tools in a snap. Finally, what is Facebook's new content monetization tools criteria, and how will you get it? I'll explain it step by step in detail in this video. So without wasting time, let's start today's video. First, I open my Facebook from here and click here to go to Professional Dashboard. Now, as soon as I go to Professional Dashboard, then I click on Monetize here. So here you can see that in Content Monetization Tools, I'm getting to see some kind of challenge like this, and Facebook is clearly saying here that, brother, complete this challenge and hit the Content Monetization Tools criteria, and brother, you'll get the tool. Now, what is this challenge? What is it? First, understand here, and after that, I'll tell you the second point with which you can earn money like crazy. Otherwise, if you don't follow it, you'll get the tool and then it'll get removed from there. So understand carefully. First, it says here, unlock content moneta, meaning unlock content moneta tools, meaning open their lock, and brother, you can monetize your content by taking the setup button and activate button in it. But what is its criteria? So here Facebook clearly says, you will receive an invitation to content monetization, meaning you have received an invitation for content monetization tool. If you reach 3 Lakh views, meaning you have to reach 3 Lakh views on your new post, meaning you just have to bring 3 Lakh views on the new post and follow our policies and Facebook's community guidelines, and brother, you'll get content monetization tools. Now to join this program, what do you have to do? Look here, you just have to click on Join Challenge. So you'll join this program. Now you don't have to do anything. Here within 28 days, you have to bring 3 Lakh views on any new post. And as soon as you bring 3 Lakh views, brother, this content monetization tool that you're seeing here, you'll get an activate button next to it. Something like this, and by activating it, you can monetize your photos. You can monetize your Facebook Reels, and you can monetize all formats of content. Reel, story, video, photo, text, everything. And after that, when you post content, you'll get money in return. But first understand this here. As soon as I click on See More, look here, you'll see all your eligible posts it will show you. And you have to hit this criteria within 28 days. If you don't do it, brother, there will be a problem. Here, you have to hit this criteria within 28 days. And whatever your eligible feed is here, and whatever video you have, it will show you here. So post Reels with original voice. With original voice, post videos, and complete the 3 Lakh views criteria. You will also get content monetization tools on Facebook. Keep one thing in mind, that whenever you post a video, don't be in the chase of posting others' videos right now, otherwise your page, etc. will get flagged. Right now it's in beta testing mode. So, many creators have got it. To get it, you don't have to do anything. Just wait. Right now it has been given to some group of selected people, and soon it will be expanded and given to many creators. You just have to make talking reels, make videos with Facecam, make videos with your mobile camera and Facecam, or just make videos by talking yourself. You will also get the invitation very soon. You'll get it. Rest, do comment in the comment section whether you got this invitation or not, and also comment your number of followers in the comment section. Tell me. And yes, spread this video everywhere so that every Facebook creator can know about this. Rest, don't forget to like, share, comment. Thank you.